Sa video na to, pag-uusapan natin yung top stock versus DIY resume reviews sa 2025. What you are as a founder or a job seeker really need to know. Hey, this is Erin from Startup Wise. If you've ever started at your resume wondering kung good enough na ba, hindi ka nag-iisa. Karamihan sa mga tao, hindi nila nare-realize kung gaano ka-importante yung resume nila until they've sent out the 50 applications and gotten 0 responses. Diyan na pumapasok yung resume reviews. Either you do it yourself or you use a service like TopStack to guide you. By the end of this video, alam mo na exactly kung paano mag-work yung bawat approach. The pros, the cons of both, at kung bakit depende sa situation mo, pwedeng mas maging smarter choice yung isa. I'll also show you where to check out TopStack if you want to see it for yourself. What is a resume review? Before we compare TopStack versus DIY, i-define muna natin quickly kung ano talaga yung resume review. Basically, yung resume review ay yung process na pag-evaluate ng resume mo to make sure it checks 3 main boxes. Number 1, clarity. Klaro ba niyang ine-explain kung sino ka at ano yung mga nagawa mo? Number 2, ATS optimization. Makakalusot ba siya sa applicant tracking system filter? Number 3, persuasion. Does it make a hiring manager want to meet you? If your resume misses any one of these, may risk na ma-skip ka lang. Kaya importante talaga yung resume reviews. They help you spot gaps, ayusin yung weaknesses, and stand out in a crowded job market. DIY resume reviews explained simply. Simulan natin sa do-it-yourself option. DIY resume reviews means you're the one analyzing and fixing your resume. Titingin ka sa mga job descriptions, highlight key skills, tapos itatry mong i-align yung resume mo with what employers are asking for. Or madalas nagsa-search lang online ng resume template, tapos kinaka-copy-paste yung gusto nila, tapos ina-adjust nila yung bullet points based sa tingin nila na mas professional pakinggan. And they may use a free ATS scanner or applicant tracking system scanner online to see how their resume would score. It sounds easy enough, right? Pero ito yung challenge. Most people don't know what they don't know. You might write responsible for managing projects. Tapos iisipin mo, okay na yun. Pero yung hiring manager, baka isipin lang nila, okay, but what did you actually achieve? Kung wala yung measurable results or key industry keywords. Malamang magfo-fall flat yung resume mo. DIY reviews can work if you're detail-oriented at willing kang mag-spend ng hours sa research. Pero for many people, nauwi siya sa frustration, especially when those rejection emails keep coming. TopStack resume reviews, how they work now. Ngayon, tignan natin ang kabilang side. Yung TopStack, isa siyang professional resume service that combines AI technology with resume writers. Ito yung process. Number 1, i-upload mo yung resume mo sa platform nila. Number 2, their AI scans it for key optimization, grammar, and formatting. Number 3, i-review siya ng professional writer, rewriting sections to highlight results and align with your target role. Number 4, they can also help with cover letters, LinkedIn profiles, or even career coaching. Yung malaking difference dito is expertise. So instead of guessing, makakakuha ka ng direct input from people who know exactly how recruiters at hiring systems. Yung AI, hindi lang siya basta spell checker. It analyzes your resume against actual job postings to see what you're missing. I-break down natin ito into plain English. So, sa DIY, yung biggest advantage is basically free siya. Unless magbabayad ka for template or online ATS scan, ikaw yung fully in control ng resume mo. And kung tipo ka na tao na gustong-gusto mag-tweak ng wording hanggang maging perfect talaga, baka ma-enjoy mo pa to. Pero ito yung downside, sobrang time-consuming niya. And unless naging recruiter ka na before, you might not even know what to look for. Parang pag nagre-repair ka ng sariling kotse, kaya mo naman gawin. Pero kung wala kang tamang tools or experience, malamang may mamimiss ka pa rin. That's with TopStack. Binabayaran mo yung speed and expertise nila. So imbes na gumugugol ka ng weeks na puro second guessing, pwede mo nang i-hand over na lang to sa professionals who know exactly how resumes get screened and what makes them pop. Ibig sabihin, fewer wasted applications, fewer black hole submissions, at mas mataas yung chance na makakuha ng interviews, and trade-off lang, hindi siya free. You'll pay for the service, but you'll really buying back your time and increasing your odds of landing the role you really want. So, real comparison dito, hindi lang free versus paid, kundi time versus results. At kung marami kang time para mag-experiment, DIY might be fine. Pero kung gusto mo nang skip yung trial and error, TopStack gives you this shortcut. Why this matters to founders. Ngayon, let's talk specifically to founders kasi yun yung title ng video na to is kung anong dapat malaman ng founders kung nagpapatakbo ka ng startup. Yung oras mo, yung pinaka-valuable asset mo. Every hour you spend rewriting your resume is an hour you're not pitching, selling, or building your product. Kaya yung pag-outsource nito sa experts, pwedeng maging mas smart na business decision. Ganon din yung logic. Parang pag-outsource ng bookkeeping o legal filings, kaya mo naman gawin sa sarili mo. Pero hindi siya usually yung best use ng energy mo. Plus, most founders often need resumes for things beyond jobs, accelerator applications, grant funding, or investor decks. Minsan, hinihingi rin yung professional background mo in resume form. Having a polished, optimized version ready to go makes you look more credible. Alright, ngayon na naintindihan mo na yung both sides, mag-go tayo sa practical part, ang pricing. Kasi at the end of the day, this is what helps you decide if TopStack is actually worth it. Quick heads up lang, kung gusto mong sumabay o kunin yung same deal, i-open mo yung TopStack sa another tab, gamitin ng link description. The way you could check today's pricing as I walk you through. So once na-click mo na yung link sa description, dadalhin ka niya sa TopStack Resumes website. As you can see, from job seeker to job winner, yung personal recruiting nila ang nagdadrive ng job search success. So they focus on your career goals so you can get a personal recruiter. Yung services nila sakop na halos lahat ng parts ng job search process. So kasama dyan yung career strategy, personal branding, at job sourcing. They rewrite your resume, gagawin ka rin ng cover letter, pati LinkedIn profile updates. Since maraming employers na nasa LinkedIn ngayon, job board profiles, targeted job applications, so mga jobs talagang best fit para sa'yo, and a targeted follow-up networking, which is super important. Because it's definitely who you know nowadays, tapos kasama rin yung interview preparation kasi kahit makakuha ka ng interview, you also want to make sure you do well during the interview and offer negotiation. So this is definitely gonna be a big hack. Kung gusto mong i-negotiate yung offer mo in the future, ito yung best part ng page. So gagamitin mo yung calculator sa baba para i-estimate yung pre-tax savings mo at iba-ibang possible outcomes. So you can calculate your salary and increase in salary and time saved to get hired. Okay, halimbawa, sabihin natin kumikita ka ng 310,000 annually tapos 18% yung salary increase mo dahil gamit mo yung TopStack. And the time saved to get hired is 2 months. So yung savings mo sa first year is $107,000, 467. At yung annual savings after nun is $55,000 and 800. Alright, so here's exactly how TopStack's pricing works in 2025. Sa pinaka-entry level, meron kang basic package. Basically, email communication lang at US-based resume writer. Tapos, kasama na rin dito yung professional resume. Meron kang standard package, so kasama dito yung professional resume and cover letter. Yung standard package nasa $249, tapos yung professional package, ito yung most popular na nasa $329. Kasama na dito yung professional resume, cover letter, and LinkedIn profile na sobrang big deal. May 60-day interview guarantee ka pa, which is really great considering how difficult it is right now. So job market, you get their most experienced writers, plus phone and email communication and US-based resume writer. So dito, yung isa sa mga writers nila mismo yung kukuha ng resume mo and reworks it, tightening up your wording. I-highlight yung results mo at gagawin to compelling para sa hiring managers. And finally, pinaka-top yung personal recruiting page. This is for people who want more than just a document. They want coaching. Makukuha mo lahat nakasama sa previous tiers plus one-on-one support mula sa recruiter, tulong sa'yo sa application strategy at interview preparation. Also, help you negotiate your offer. So let's say, nakakuha ka ng offer but it's not the salary you prefer. Pwede ka makakuha ng tips kung paano mag-negotiate at malaking tulong din to para sa future job offers mo kasi hindi mo kailangan mag-settle agad sa first offer mo. Bakit mahalaga yung pricing dito? Because this isn't about spending money as an investment to your future. Isipin mo makakakuha ka ng job na $10,000 higher yung salary because your resume actually got noticed. So sobrang liit lang tignan ng cost ng packages kung ikukumpara mo. Pero to be fair, may place pa rin yung DIY. Kung early ka pa sa career mo, nag-a-apply ka ng entry-level roles, or nag-experiment ka pa ng career change, possible na hindi mo na kailangan ng full professional rewrite. A DIY review using 3 ATS scanners could be enough to land interviews, or kung tipo ka ng tao na nag-e-enjoy magsulat at kaya mong ispot yung weak points ng resume mo, okay din yung DIY. Pero for most people, lalo na yung busy professionals or founders, time is money. So, nagiging mas smart choice yung TopStack. So, sa TopStack versus DIY resume reviews in 2025, ito yung takeaway. DIY works kung tight ang budget mo at may time ka talaga mag-research at mag-tweak. Pero gusto mo ng speed, expertise, at mas mataas na chance na makakatulong na makakuha ng interviews, mas clear choice yung TopStack. Kung gusto mong i-try yung TopStack for yourself, i-check mo yung link sa baba, startupwise.com/TopStackResume. And quick note lang, some of the links na sinishare ko ay affiliate links, which means kapag nag-sign up ka, you may earn a small commission pero wala namang extra cost to you. Yung support na yan nakakatulong para makagawa ako ng free videos like this para sa founders and job seekers. This is Erin from StartupWise. Maraming salamat ulit sa pananood. And let me know in the comments, are you more of a DIY type or do you think outsourcing TopStack makes more sense for you? Takit sa susunod na video.